Hello friends, welcome to Csharp Space. Today in this video session we will discuss about how to display a list of files from a directory in ASP.NET Core applications. Let's start. I open my Visual Studio and here I already created some sample empty project for ASP.NET Core application. So first of all, I am going to this home controller.cs for writing a code for display a list of files from a folder inside this www root. I am already pasted some sample files inside this folder. This file name is files and this is the sample files that I am pasted inside this www root. So first of all, we need to create some variable for hosting environment. Is I hosting environment and then it's environment I am adding one more namespace. It's like using Microsoft.ASP.NET Core hosting for this variable. And then I am creating one constructor for initializing this hosting variable. It's a public home controller and taking this I hosting variable, it's environment and then initialize this environment variable is equal to environment. And here now I am choosing this index method for getting the list of files from a directory. So I am writing a code here. It's string file paths is equal to directory. For directory we need to add a namespace for using system.io. So get files, then path dot combine it's this dot environment dot web root path and we combine this web root path and our folder name. It's files. This folder name is here is files. Now copy this file name in our model collection. So I am creating one list. You can also create this list as taking parameter as a string, or you can create one model for this if you want to save multiple names, ID, something like this. So I am creating here one model for this file name. It's like a file model, and here I am creating one property for file name. It's a string file name, then it's a file model. This is equal to new file model, and then we copy this file name inside this list. So I am writing this for each loop. It's like a file path, and then this array is file paths, then list dot add new file model. Its file name is equal to path dot get file name, and here we pass this path, and then we return this list in this view. Now I am writing one more method for downloading files. So it's a public download this files, then here is the string file name, and this method has a return type as a file result, because we return file as a byte form for downloading. So it's a string path is equal to path dot combine this dot environment dot web root path, then it's a folder name. Our folder name is files, then we concatenate this file name, then we convert this file into a byte array. Bytes is equal to system dot io dot file dot read all bytes, and here we pass this path, and then return this file byte array for downloading to the user. It's a return file, and here it's bytes, then we write the content type. It's application slash octet and string hyphen string, and then writing a file name, now I am going to their index view. So here we are creating a table where we list different files that pasted under that folder, means these files. So I am opening this index.cshtml, where I am creating one table for display the file names. So this is the by default created HTML that created when we choose a MVC template. So I am creating here a table. So first of all I need to add a model for a list. It's a model, and this I enumerable, and then it's writing this namespace is a directory file list dot model dot file model, and this it's header name, like first header name is a file name, and second I left it blank for add a download button, and then I'm writing this for each loop for iterating over this list. It's a file model, this file, and collection under this model. So it's a tier, and writing this td, first one for their file name. It's a file dot file name, and then it's a second td for adding a download button. It's download, and here I am adding a href link where we download a file from this method. This method name is download file slash, and then this taking a parameter as a file name is equal to, it's file dot file name. We add some more bootstrap classes for this table design. It's tbl, and then it's a tbl responsive for responsiveness, and one for bordered for bordering. So this is completed. Now we run this application for test. So I'm pressing Ctrl F5 for debugging. By default, this is calling a home index method. So this will display all the list of files by this list where we writing a code on this index method. So for testing, I am click on this download button. Now this will download this sample.pdf. So this is all the process for how you can display the list of files from a directory in ASP.NET Core. So if you like my videos, please click on a like button, and if you have any questions, please write in comment box. I will reply you soon. So thanks for watching. We will meet in next video session, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for getting a latest update, and also click on notification bell. So thanks.